Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 50. We are surprised to know from your favor of the 6th of August of the extremely long delay in the delivery of the Surrey and Gloucestershire books. Full stop. So far as we can discover, comma, there is no very clear reason for the delay. Full stop. We have looked into the case, comma, as you may be sure, comma, and it is still a mystery. First of all, Mr. Strong, comma, our dispatch clerk, comma, expressly disclaims any blame, comma, but, comma, if possible, comma, he will take more care with the books still to come. Full stop. He will personally supervise the addressing of the parcels. Full stop. By the way, comma, we hope to have the new Axbridge book ready very soon. Stop. It will be in the same style as our classical library. Full stop.